Hello friends, today we will going to study the topic 3 address codes, triples and quadruples. In computer science, 3 address code is an intermediate code used by the optimizing compiler to add in the implementation of the code including transformation. As we all know, 3 address code is nothing but the type of the intermediate code which is easy to generate and can be easily converted to the machine code. It makes use of the most 3 addresses and one operator to represent an expression, and a value computed at each instruction is stored in a temporary variable generated by the compiler. So, the 3 address code is an intermediate code can be either language specific, for example, bytecode for the Java, or a language independent. That is nothing but the 3 address code. As we know, 3 address code is nothing but the generator which receive the input from the predecessor page. Semantic, that is nothing but the semantic analyzer in the form of the annotated syntax tree. That syntax tree is then converted into the linear expression, for example, postfix notation, and then the intermediate code tends to be machine independent code. Therefore, code generator assumes to have the unlimited number of the memory storage register to generate the code. So characteristics of 3 address code. So this 3 address code is normally useful for code optimization. After that, this code which uses the maximum 3 address code to represent any statement means, and they are also recorded with the address field. So the address specified by the 3 address code, after that it is useful for the code optimization, as well as they uses the maximum 3 addresses to represent a statement. So in this way, there are the characteristics of the 3 address code, and this 3 address code is generally represented as A is equal to B operation C, where the A, B, C are nothing but the operands like the name, constants, or the compiler generated temporarily, and OP represent the operator. So the example given slide shows the example for the 3 address code. In this example, the example is A is equal to B plus C multiplied by D. So this example is represented in a 3 address code like register 1 store the value of C multiplied by D as the operator precedence manner. After that, register 2 is equal to B plus register 1 which contains C multiplied by D, and then A is equal to R, where the R is nothing but the lab registers in the target program. A 3 address code has a most 3 address location to calculate the expression. So these 3 address code generally represented by the 2 representation, that is nothing but the quadruples and triples. So particular slide shows the second example for the 3 address code. The second example contains the loop, that is nothing but the for loop, where the for into bracket I is equal to 1, semicolon I is less than or equal to 10, semicolon I plus plus. And the condition for that for is nothing but the a of I is equal to x into 5. This particular example is represented by 3 address code as shown into the slide. Here first I is equal to 1 is considered, then the loop is assigned which contains the temporary variables to store the values of the operation, and like that the program is represented using the 3 address code. Just refer the slide for the particular example. So the implementation of the 3 address code. As we already discussed, there are the 2 main types of the representation, that is nothing but the quadruple and triple, and one another representation, that is nothing but the indirect triple, is also useful for representing 3 address code. First, quadruples. So what is this quadruple? As the name suggests, it contains the 4 fields, namely operator, argument 1, argument 2, and result. So in this way we show the particular. OP is nothing but the operator, argument 1, argument 2 which denote two operands, and the result is used to store the result of the expression. So in this way the quadruple is represented. So why this quadruple we use? The advantage of that quadruple is nothing but it is easy. It is very easy to rearrange the code in a global optimization. After that, it provides the quickly access value for the temporary variable in the symbol table. So in this way, we use the quadruple. It is easy to use and it easily rearranges the code. As well as the disadvantages of the quadruple is nothing but it contains a lot of temporaries to store the values, and the temporary variable storage is also increase the time and space complexity. So these are nothing but a disadvantage of the quadruple. So quadruple example is shown into the slide. Please refer the slide for the example of quadruple. The example contains a is equal to b multiplied by minus c plus b multiplied by minus c. That is nothing but a unary minus c. So first variable t1 is equal, first temporary variable t1 is used to store the value of unary minus of c. Then t2 is equal to b into t1. t3 again used for the unary minus c. t4 is equal to b into t3. t5 is equal to t2 plus t4 and a is equal to t5. Just refer the example. The 3 address code is generated for the particular example. After that, we can generate the quadruple representation. Quadruple representation contains the table which contains the different types of the operation steps T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So for that 0 to 5 steps are there. After that it contains OP, that is nothing but the operator, argument 1, argument 2 and result. So first one is that T1 is equal to unary minus C. It is represented as here the operator is nothing but a unary minus, argument 1 is equal to C and the result is nothing but the T1. Similarly T2, T3, T4, T5 and A is stored. Just refer the table. This table we should represent the quadruple representation. Second representation is nothing but the triple representation. This triple representation advantage is nothing but it doesn't make use of the extra temporary variable. So it reduces the use of the extra temporary variable to represent a single operation. Instead of when a reference of to the another triple value is needed, pointer to that of the triple is used. So pointer is used under the triple representation. So it can contain the operator argument 1 and operator argument 2. So result is not present into the triple representation. So what are the disadvantages of this triple representation is nothing but temporaries are implicit and difficult to rearrange code. As the advantage of a quadruple is nothing but it is easy to rearrange the code, but triple having that is the disadvantage, that is nothing but it is difficult to rearrange the code as well as it difficult to optimize because it doesn't contain the extra temporary variable, so it is that much difficult to optimize the code. So this is the example for the triple representation. We can take the previous example, same example, only the result field is not present into the triple representation. So how we can represent that expression? Just consider the previous 3 address code and the previous example. From that 3 address code we can represent these. So what is the first? T1 is equal to unary minus C. So that T1 is considered into the hash. That is nothing but the 0, 1, 2, 3 that steps are considered as unary minus C. Only OP and operator and argument are present. Result is not shown into the triple representation. So the same representation is provided by the following slide triple representation. Please consider the table for the example of triples. Third type is nothing but the indirect triple. This indirect triple representation make use of the pointer to the listing of all references to the computation, which is made separately and stored. So here, triple does not use the pointer, where the indirect triple uses the pointer. It's similar in a utility as compared to the quadruple representation but require the less space because the temporaries are implicit and easier to rearrange code. So as compared to the quadruple, this representation requires the less space. This is the benefit of the indirect triple. So how we can represent that indirect triple representation? We can consider the same example and from that we can represent the triple. representation. Only the extra point under that is nothing but it can contain the list of the pointers to the table. Just look at the list of the pointers to the table. This table is same as that of the previous, only the list of the pointers are different. Just consider this. So in this way, we can. This is the another example which shows the quadruple, triple, and indirect triple. So just consider this example. This example is for the three address code, which shows the three type of the representation, that is nothing but the quadruple, triple, and indirect triple. First, we have to generate the three address code for this example. This example contains the three operations. T1 represent x plus y, T2 represent y plus z, T3 represent T1 plus T2, T1 into T2, T4 represent T1 plus z, and T5 represents T3 plus T4. For that, we have to generate the quadruple representation. Quadruple representation contains operator, argument 1, argument 2, and result. After that, this is the triple representation for the same example. And this is the indirect triple representation for the same example, which can contain the list of the pointers to the table. So in this way, we study the concept of three address code with its type. There are three types of the three address code. First one is the quadruple, second one is the triple, and third one is the indirect triple. Thank you.